Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. So first off, I want to start with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 opened the day with the 80%, 0.8% upper level. The main reason for it, the US intervention in the Venezuela, which has gone way more smoother when it was thinking about the market, because everybody thinks in the market it's going to be intervention in the Venezuela, but it seems like at the moment it was so much smooth and it was not a chaotic at that moment, and it is good. And also the US government will be seize the oil in the Venezuela, so it is good for the US markets at the moment if I have to talk about the financials. And it surges up like 0.8% up right now. This is good. I am hopeful in the future about the S&P 500. So if I have to continue with the uh, sorry, Dow Jones hit its all-time high and it's went past through like 49,000. It is good at the moment. All the US markets are going for the same direction. Also the Dow Jones is going for the upwards. If you look at the Nasdaq is much more volatile, and it seems like the Nasdaq has get behind of its brothers like S&P 500 and Dow Jones at the moment, but it will be catch up. Like there's a like 3% gap over there. I think it will be catch up in a couple of days and maybe within this week. So I'm bullish about the all US markets the moment at the moment. So if I have to continue with the gold, well, the gold break its all-time high since at Monday, and it couldn't stand over there, and it went below with the 4% of losses in a one day, and it tried to gain up its days and tried to gain up its losses through the day. But I think when we look at the bigger picture with the gold, it seems like we are at the end of the commodities price increasement trend at the moment, because they gone up like 150%. It is my opinion, by the way, but I don't think it will be go much more soon, because there is no stagflation in the US markets, and this inflation goes down, and GDP is growing up at the moment, so there is no stagflation problem in the US markets at the moment, at the US economy. So the commodities price increase is overvalued valued at the moment. Sorry for my talking. I'm going to say the same thing with the silver, but the silver is gone up way more absurd at the moment, and it surges up like 70 and 72 and 79% at the moment, just waving around there. Maybe this is a transformation of the silvers from the big players to the small players. It's just an idea. In that time it can be happening, and I'm also thinking about the same thing with the silver. I think we are at the end of this commodities price increasement trend. I'm going to say the same thing with the platinum. It's more speculative. It's more volatile when compared to the silver and gold at the moment. But it is at the moment. Well, seems good, but it is too much fragile at the moment. I would stay away from platinum. We bought that platinum like 1691 and surged up like the and we gained up and we gained up like not this one, sorry, and we gained up like 35% from it, and this is good. The profit is good with the packet at the moment, so there is no need to be get into it very much, because it will be make a bad thing for us. It can make us a loss, I mean. So if I have to continue with the Bitcoin is going really good at the moment. The US markets are opened, and within the US markets opened, there was like 2 hours, 1 hour happened. 1 hour, it is the 1 hour after the opening with the US markets at the moment. When I look at the 4-hour chart, it seems good. It's gone out the Bollinger Band. When it gone out the Bollinger Band, we expect it to go much more higher and much more with the speed up at the moment, because with the, when it goes out with the Bollinger Band, it is a technical indicator, by the way. It gone up really it gone up really fast at the moment. As you can see over here, it gone out the Bollinger Band in the November 26th, and it gone up. It is more rushing when it gone outside the Bollinger Band, and at the moment it seems really good at the moment. And in it gone out in the daily also. I'm good about with the. I am good opinions have. I have good opinions about the Bitcoin right now. I'm going to say the same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum is much little bit behind of the Bitcoin's rushing up price at the moment, but Bitcoin is a locomotive. Bitcoin will go first, and Ethereum will follow it, and XRP will be follow it. So it seems good at the moment. I'm looking all positive with the cryptos at the moment, but it seems when we look at the big picture, XRP seems very much good, because it made a bottom to like 178 at the moment, and it gone up to 216 at the moment. And as you can see, there is a downside trend and breakups going much higher, downside trend and going up at the moment. Maybe when if it breaks this trend line, it can be go through like 370 for the moment. We will see about it. But I have a good opinion about the cryptocurrencies at the moment. Well, if we are going to talk about the XMR went its all-time high and got rejected and gone up, and it seems it makes a bottom through like 420 at the moment. Seems good. The Bollinger Band is squeezing at the moment. We will see what will be happen. Well, when I look at the weekly, it going for its all-time high 1, 2, 3 times, and maybe in this time it can be break its all-time high. We will see about it. Thank you for watching. See you later.